Let's find out what is on our chartist radar on Chartbusters. Nooresh and Kunal rejoining us. And Kunal, take us through your Chartbuster pick.
Good morning, Aman. So it's on Tata Steel. Now, metal stocks are, I think if I'm not wrong, the metal index is at a 5-month or a 6-month high, breaking past about certain major resistance. Now, Tata Steel is also one of the major components of the Nifty Metal Index. In fact, we've seen the stock being a huge underperformer. But then, there was this gap which was created for Tata Steel over the last 4-5 months. And that gap resistance was around 118 to 120 mark for Tata Steel. Now, it's formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern. It's come back towards closing this gap, as well as the momentum in the metal index is also very strong, which means that this gap should be taken out in this leg of uptrend for Tata Steel. And once that happens, I think then we look out for much more higher targets for Tata Steel and for possibility that the stock can cover up the huge underperformance with respect to the entire sector. So it's a very promising chart over the near-term play. Would look out for targets in the range of 124 on the very short-term basis post the breakout. And then on the higher side, we could be looking out for 140 to 150 targets as well for Tata Steel.
That's Tata Steel for you. Meantime, Nooresh, take us through your top recommendation. What's the Chartbuster idea? It's from the auto space.
So looking at MotoCorp, if you look at the chart, it made a bottom around 2200, 2300 in March of last year as well as March of this year. And in that period of time, it made multiple attempts around the 2900 to 3000 mark. Going back even in 2021, similar was the price point, which was the resistance. So a classical range breakout here, a channel breakout, could also be a cup and handle breakout. The breakout is done. We are well above that 3000 mark today. Made a move to 3200, retested 3050. This zone is an accumulation zone between 3000 to 3100, 150 levels. Eventually, this breakout should take it higher towards a new 52-week high and an all-time high also. Expecting this to take a trend change, a long-term trend change has taken place. The stock has done nothing for the last 8-9 years, and now could be starting a move towards 3600 to 4000. So a buy at current levels as well as on dips, stop loss at 2950 and a target price of 3600 to 4000.
Let's move on. Let's get some stock-specific ideas as well. Kunal, what's on your list?
So Bata India is looking like a more promising chart at current levels, trading at 1680, approximately 1680, 1690 mark. Looks very attractive for a potential 100 rupees plus up move. So targets of 1800 for Bata India, stop loss at 1600. And Hindalco is the other stock from the metal pack, which looks attractive. Now broken past about the 445, 450 barrier. So we'll look out for targets of 480 for Hindalco. Stop loss could be taken to 438.
Nooresh, what about your stock-specific ideas?
So first would be a buy on Bharat Forge. The stock has slowly started trending up. Stop loss at 850, target price of 920. Second is a buy on Apollo Hospitals, a flat breakout here. Stop loss at 5200 and a target price of 5600.
Oh, we're going to take a very quick break. Holding out in the green at record highs. Not a rara move, but the headline number continues impressive. Z, Adani names, Wipro, LTIM ahead of its numbers. They're all looking up.